Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving out of Kingston and we are on Washington Boulevard heading towards Mandela Highway. It's Friday afternoon, it's about 4:30, so that will give you an idea of what the traffic is like. We just passed the intersection with the Haney Park. If we turn right at that light, we're going to the Haney Park. If we turn left, we're going to Corville Gardens. And those apartment buildings on the left, that's the Corville Gardens area. Okay, at this intersection we turn left, we go on to Spanish Town Road, and we're going to go straight and go on to Mandela Highway. That bridge, that overhead bridge, that is the traffic from Mandela Highway going on to Spanish Town Road. Okay, now you can see this is the peak hour traffic from Mandela Highway. Mandela Highway takes you out of the city of Kingston and towards Portmore and Spanish Town, and in the afternoons the traffic is very heavy on the road. This is actually the busiest road in Jamaica and the traffic has started already. So this is what the traffic is like on Mandela Highway. Now those cars you're seeing on the left, that's where you go to access the Ferry Industrial Complex, but you can also leave from the Ferry Industrial Complex and go on to Mandela. So they're just trying to cut out a piece of the road by going over that bridge. But it doesn't make a difference. When they come back down onto Mandela, they're going to go right back into this traffic. And as you can see, the traffic has backed up on the exit ramp. Alright guys, so this is the traffic we'd have to drive on to go all the way to Portmore, and the traffic is going to be like this until about 7-8 o'clock tonight. That's how many people drive out of the city of Kingston every day. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.